I have a short program set up to issue a character command to the typewriter, the console printer here, which is a selectric mechanism. And I had to bypass the no form switch so that it would still try to type. And I've set that up in location 0010, which the machine is now set up for. Let's see. So 0010. It was set up to execute there, and when I push it, you should hear the faint click of the mechanism in the selectric tripping. Not sure if you can hear that. I'll get closer. Microphone very close. Hopefully you can hear that.